Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm going to show you how I make my coffee with my new coffee maker set up. I had a coffee maker that I got from Walmart. It's the cheapest damn thing they had because I drink maybe 1 cup in the morning and that's just very so often. Well, I tried to find the coffee maker a while ago. I have no idea where the hell my wife put it. I'm going to show you what I bought here. First of all, I got this at Walmart. It's a bodum. It's a little glass container, and you got your filter set up. What you do, you put your coffee grounds in here, and you put that over it, and you pour your hot water in it. I'm going to show you what I got here. This is a faberware. It's a water kettle. I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. What I'm going to fill this up to the how much coffee I want to make. Okay, well, I filled it up about this line right here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open this up. This right here is the kettle. This is the heating elements. That little round thing, that's what you stick right on here and heats water up. I'm going to show you how to use this. We got one on the boat, something like this, up it was all stainless, had a little window here, but I opted to buy this the other day, being clear. I'm going to pour my water in here. And silly thing, it's just got like max 1.7 liters. It's all in liters, it's not in cups. But what you do, you shut this lid. Now watch this shit. See how it turns blue? The blue's got blue lights in it, meaning it's on. So while that thing's warming up, we're going to take our little glass container and our filters. Reusable filter. It does come with a scoop and this little thing here. I'm going to show you here in a minute what to use. On your coffee, you just however your taste is like. I can only put about 2 scoops in it. And let the water warm up. You could probably use this thing to, cook hot dogs. That tell you the God's honest truth about it. But we're going to let that heat up here in a minute. It done gets warm right now. That thing, like I said, the blue light is, you turn it off, turn it on. They neat little setup. I can't remember what I paid for it, but it's an electric gas kettle. Electric glass kettle. Pretty easy to use. But while that's going, I gotta show you my new little toy I got the other day. Got me a North American Arms, what they call a little mini. 22 long rifle or 22 short. That's one of my new little toys I got the other day. A little, put it in my pocket pistol. I got my pajamas on, so I always be carrying. I'm gonna get our coffee cup ready. Ducks Unlimited. Put a little shawl go around. Gotta have a little sugar in your coffee, I do. That thing's done heating up. I can hear it percolating or whatever you want to call it. Getting this spoon out here. My silverware is like, oh, that's a fork. I'm gonna move the camera back for a minute. Like gun metal. All my silverware. That thing's hot. That coffee maker I was telling you had a little valve on it, so when you pulled the kettle thing out the pot, it would stop percolating, but it would fill full of water. But I like this thing right here. Anything you need hot water for, ramen noodles, cocoa, tea. She gets hot. It does have a shut off. It gets so hot it'll shut off. I like that blue light. It pretty damn cool. And it goes from the minimum fill 0.5 liters up to the max 1.7 liters. I don't know why the hell they didn't put cups on it. But anywho, yeah, it's hot. But I do have it on a little pad thing so I won't get on my countertop. My wife's got her air fryer is granite she puts on it so I won't mess the countertop up, but yeah, she's hot. You see that steam coming out of her? She's hot. Here we go. I'm gonna shut her off. Once you do, just do it real slow. And just pour, you know, get all your coffee wet. Now, you know, like I said, I might, however you like your coffee taste, you might want to put less coffee in this thing or more. I ain't really figured out how much, you know, grounds you can put in for the different tastes. So I just put a couple of cups in it, or spoonfuls. I kind of like this a lot better than I do a damn coffee maker. I said coffee maker, and the damn slow. God, it was slow. I mean, I know this ain't the fastest thing in the world, but I think you can do more with this. Of course, you can heat water up in coffee maker too. I'm almost sticking it right now. It's right there and seeps on out. My little thing here, I just kind of put the grounds in while I'm doing this, shake it out better. That little thing, this little thing you kind of you put in there to help pour it or whatnot. But I advise keep this little quart thing on because this cup does get hot. Yeah, I spilled some coffee. A cup of Joe. Nice and damn hot too. The thing about this too, if, you know, if you had a power adapter, you could put that in your vehicle for camping and whatnot. Well, y'all have a good day.